A jump starter power cord ensures reliable charging, power transfer, and emergency readiness anytime. Today's video is about top 5 best jump starter power cord that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Joltekon Jump Starter Power Cord. This all-in-one jump starter is an impressive roadside emergency tool that combines power, convenience, and safety in a compact package. With a massive 6000 A peak current and advanced boost technology, it can quickly revive dead batteries on virtually all gas engines and up to 10L diesel engines. Even in extreme weather conditions, the built-in 150 psi air compressor is equally impressive. Its high-flow 45 liters per minute motor inflates tires much faster than standard portable inflators, while the automatic shutoff and pressure memory functions make inflation accurate and hassle-free. The included nozzles also add versatility for bikes, sports equipment, and other inflatables. Beyond jump starting and tire inflation, it functions as a reliable power bank with excellent energy efficiency, capable of charging phones, tablets, and other USB devices when needed. The bright LED emergency light with multiple modes adds extra security during roadside emergencies. Built with fire-resistant materials and comprehensive safety protections, this unit inspires confidence. Overall, it's a powerful, versatile, and dependable companion for travel, commuting, and emergency preparedness. Now our second product is Soulor Jump Starter Power Cord. The Soulor CYD24 Jump Starter is a powerful and versatile emergency tool that every driver should consider keeping in their vehicle. With an impressive 6000 A peak current, it can quickly start 12V vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and trucks with engines up to 10.0L diesel, even when the battery is completely drained. Its reliable performance in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit makes it ideal for year-round use. The built-in 160 psi cordless air compressor is a standout feature. With multiple inflation modes, pressure units, and included nozzles, it easily handles car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment. The large 4.7-inch LCD screen clearly displays real-time pressure readings for added convenience. This unit also functions as a portable power bank, PD45W fast charger, and emergency flashlight with strobe and SOS modes, making it a true all-in-one roadside companion. The included accessories, waterproof storage bag, and strong customer support add extra value. Overall, the CYD24 delivers excellent performance, convenience, and peace of mind for travel and emergency preparedness. Our third product is Ukexe Jump Starter Power Cord. This jump starter power bank is a dependable all-in-one emergency device that combines powerful battery support, tire inflation, and portable charging in a compact package. With a 5000 A peak current and an 88.8 Wh battery, it can quickly start vehicles with up to 10.0L gasoline or 8.0L diesel engines, making it an excellent companion for road trips and unexpected battery failures. The built-in air compressor is easy to use and offers multiple inflation modes, pressure units, and nozzles for tires, bicycles, sports equipment, and more. Its 160 psi capability and cordless operation provide impressive convenience, while the long runtime allows for multiple inflation tasks on a single charge. As a portable power bank, it efficiently charges phones and other USB devices when needed. The integrated LED flashlight with lighting, strobe, and SOS modes adds extra utility for emergencies, camping, and roadside situations. Safety is another strong point, with intelligent jumper cables offering multiple protection features against common electrical risks. Overall, this is a versatile, user-friendly, and reliable tool that provides excellent peace of mind for any driver. Now number 4, Utrai Jump Starter Power Cord. The JS50 all-in-one jump starter is an exceptional roadside emergency tool that combines power, versatility, and convenience in a single compact device. With an impressive 8000 A peak current, it can quickly restart 12V vehicles, including large gas engines and up to 12L diesel engines, even when the battery is completely drained. Its built-in 160 psi air compressor is fast and easy to use, featuring preset pressure settings, auto shutoff, and multiple inflation modes for tires, bikes, and sports equipment. The large display makes monitoring pressure simple, even in bright sunlight. A standout feature is the detachable 1000 lumen magnetic LED light, which provides hands-free illumination during nighttime repairs or emergencies. The unit also serves as a portable power bank, keeping phones and other devices charged when needed. Safety is a major strength, with intelligent jumper cables, multiple protection systems, and a durable fire-resistant housing ensuring reliable operation. The included tire repair kit adds even more value for roadside emergencies. Overall, the JS50 is a powerful, feature-packed solution that delivers outstanding peace of mind for everyday driving and long-distance travel. And our last choice is Sharmeal Jump Starter Power Cord. The Sharmeal Jump Starter is a powerful and reliable emergency tool that every driver should keep in their vehicle. Delivering an impressive 6,000 A peak current, it can quickly start 12V vehicles, including cars, trucks, and motorcycles, with engines up to 10.0L diesel and all gas models. One of its standout features is the force start button, which allows it to revive batteries with voltage below 9V, something many standard jump starters cannot handle. This makes it especially valuable during unexpected roadside emergencies. Safety is another major strength. With 14 built-in protection systems, including reverse polarity, short circuit, overcharge, and temperature protection, users can operate it with confidence. The large smart display clearly shows battery status and operating conditions, making it easy to use even for beginners. Beyond jumpstarting, it also functions as a portable power bank and LED flashlight with flashlight, strobe, and SOS modes. Compact, lightweight, and supplied with a carrying bag, this jumpstarter is an excellent combination of power, safety, and convenience for everyday travel and emergency preparedness. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.